Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make a black and white photo in Photoshop. We start by opening our image in Photoshop. Next, we're going to go to the Create an Adjustment layer icon. Here we will choose the black and white option. After that, we will see that our image converts to black and white. Additionally, a Properties panel will open where we can edit the different color channels to adjust this mode. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.